In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Quota Exceeded in Looker Studio. First, open your browser and search for Looker Studio. Head to the official site. If you're already signed in with your Google account, you'll be logged in automatically. That's normal, and it makes the next steps faster. Open the report where you're seeing the Quota Exceeded message. This error usually happens when your report makes too many requests to a data source, like Google Analytics 4, in a short time. We're going to reduce those requests and make your report more efficient without changing your actual data. Switch your report into edit mode. Then right-click any GA4 chart, or simply right-click the canvas, and choose Google Analytics token usage. This view helps you understand how many tokens your report is consuming and which elements are the most demanding. If you notice spikes, it's a signal that the page might be trying to load too many components at once. A quick design tip that helps a lot: aim for fewer than 10 charts or widgets on a single page. GA4 standard properties allow up to 10 concurrent requests, so keeping pages lighter prevents hitting that limit. If one page is heavy, split it into a couple of simpler pages. You'll get faster loads and fewer errors. Next, make sure the account used by your data connections still has the right access. The account connecting to a Google Sheet or a database needs at least viewer or editor permissions. If access was removed, the connector can repeatedly retry and waste tokens, which leads to quota issues. Restoring access prevents those unnecessary retries. While you're editing, click Pause Updates at the top of the report. This temporarily stops automatic data refreshes while you move charts around or change settings, so you're not consuming tokens for every small edit. To reduce live queries even further, use an extracted dataset. In the toolbar, go to Add Data, then choose Extract Data. Pick your source, select the exact dimensions and metrics you need, and set a sensible date range, such as today minus 1 day. Turn on a daily auto-update so the extract refreshes on its own. This caches the data in Looker Studio and dramatically cuts live calls to GA4 or other sources. Click Save and Extract. Finally, update your charts to use the new extracted source. Open a chart's properties, switch its data source to the extract, and repeat for other components as needed. With these changes, checking token usage, simplifying pages, verifying access, pausing updates during edits, and shifting heavy queries to extracts, you'll eliminate most quota-exceeded errors and keep your reports fast and reliable.